Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I decided to stop by Dollar Tree. I don't know if you've been in, but check them out. They've got all the Valentine things out for us to make great gift sets. If you're a basket maker, you've got to get in there. I fell in love with some of these pieces that I see. Look at this bubble bath champagne bomb and the massager. Guys, here is where I really just fell all in 100%. I found these coordinating pieces that makes gift basket or gift bags easy to make. This is an eye mask. Look at the lips on that thing. Pink and red. But then I really got excited when I saw this towel scrunchie and some other coordinating pieces. Guys, if you're in the mood for looking for something for that special girlfriend that's cute, that she can use, go to Dollar Tree. Look at this detangling comb and this little pedicure manicure set. You have your toe clipper, your fingernail clipper, and another little clipper for maybe like small hangnails. But this pedicure set was adorable. The file, everything's coordinated, guys. That's what I love about it. And a hair wrap. Guys, if you are still looking for those DIY Valentine gifts for a friend, a sister, head on into your local Dollar Tree and check them out. The other thing that I really liked was that they also had these coordinate pieces in pink. This piece here that you see is highlighted in red, and that's my very favorite, but pink is my favorite color, and I was excited to see that as well. So guys, thanks for stopping by.